So I woke up this morning. It's the last day of 2018 and it's gonna rain soon, in about an hour or two. And right now I'm in Briarwood. It is 45 degrees. This is gonna be my last flight for 2018, and I know I said that my last video was my last video, but guess what? This is my last flight. I'll share some night footage of the Phantom so you can compare it to the night footage in Long Island City with the Evo and the Mavic 2 Zoom, which are half-inch sensor cameras, so please don't be too harsh on the half-inch sensors. So guys, I wish you the best for 2019. I hope that all your endeavors turn out to be a success. I hope that you get the drone that you like, the drone that you want. I hope you fly it. I hope you learn some tips and tricks from my videos over here, and I hope that you have a wonderful 2019. With that being said, guys, don't forget to head over to my Patreon account and become a patron, because if you don't have the Mavic 2 Zoom or don't have the Mavic 2 Pro, or maybe you just want another one, I'm going to be giving away whichever one you want. Not one, not two, not three, yes, like LeBron said, rings, not four, not five, but 6 Mavic 2 Zooms or Pros on my YouTube channel right here. All you have to do is become a patron to become eligible. That's it. As long as you're one of my patrons, which takes $1 a month, you're eligible. That's it. And as soon as I hit 1,800 patrons, at $1 each, of course, that gives me the $1,800 to go and pick up the drone, buy it, not even open it, and ship it to you. This just sounds really cool. I'm into drones. I'd love to give drones away, not once, not twice, but not thrice, but I do need your help. So become my patron. It's a great way to support my content, my channel, me, and it's a great way to help me give back to you. That's enough, guys. I'm finished promoting now. Hit like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one. Let me know what you think about the footage, and Happy New Year's. I'll talk to you guys next year.